There are two wars created in the world. First World War created from 1914 up to 1918, and Second World War broke out on 1939 up to 1945. In the both wars, there were millions of people damaged and killed, and there are many difficulties and problems created in the world. America bombarded on Japan in Hiroshima 6 August 1945 and 9 August 1945 on Nagasaki in Japan. In both bombarding, the people of Japan damaged, and their effect is also a present time. The Second World War caused great death and destruction in the world. Around 60 million people lost their life. And at the end of Second World War, nuclear bombs were dropped on cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki in Japan. It results in a huge loss of innocent people and complete destruction of the two cities, Hiroshima and Nagasaki in Japan. Then the people of the world traveled and thinking how the world war will be stopped. So a new institution organized. This institution is called UN. The mass destruction of life and property after the Second World War led the world of the security think about the hence powerful and stronger world organization was organized. So on 24 October 1945, 51 countries signed in UN Charter, and after that the birth of UNO, United Nations Organization, in San Francisco, USA. Now India joined the United Nations Organization on 30 October 1945. Today, 193 countries are the member of UNO. The main object of UN are to maintain international peace and security. Second, encourage the spirit of the international cooperation in solving problems. Third, promote amicable relation among the members of the UNO, and encourage the respect of the human rights and fundamental freedom for all the people. Last, to work together with all the nations to achieve the objects of UN. Now, organs of the UN. Firstly, General Assembly. General Assembly is the main part of part of UNO. General Assembly members countries of UN discuss the important matters related to the world peace, collect reports and observe the budget. And the second part of UN are Security Council. Security Council is the most important organ of the UN. It has 15 members and each member has one vote. There are 5 permanent members who have both veto power and the main and veto powers countries are 5. They are France, Britain, Russia, China and United States of America. The other 10 members are non-permanent. The Security Council settled international disputes. Third organ of the UN. This part of the UN is responsible for the carrying out the day-to-day business of the UN. Fourth part of the UN are Economic and Social Council. The organ of the UN focus on the international, social and economic matter, and the member of the Economic and Social Council are elected by the General Assembly. And next part of the UN are International Court of Justice. The International Court of Justice is located at Hague in Netherlands, and it is also known as the World Court. The International Court of Justice has 15 judges. Each judge is appointed for the term of 9 years. Judges are from any member's country. This court settled legal disputes between nations. Now, WHO, World Health Organization. This agency of the UN looks into the matter of the health internationally. It researches and studies the health issue concerning the development of world. UNESCO, the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Culture Organization. The agency of the UN was established in 1945.